1K, I'm running at zone 3 with my first kilometer. Let's go! Run for your life! This is my 2K, zone 4. Guys, 2.5. 3K guys, in zone 5. Because it's uphill na. 4 km in zone 5. That's our 5K in zone 5. So naka 5K tayo ngayon. And try ko ulit tumakbo bukas. So don't forget the hashtag. Hashtag run for your life. And don't forget to follow my account. Let's go! Run for your life!